How to use Lyft Safety Toolkit features. To use the Lyft Safety Toolkit, you have to tap the shield icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen during an active ride. But first of all, you have to set up the Lyft Toolkit feature itself. So go ahead and launch the Lyft application. Tap on this human-like icon on the bottom right. Within this menu box, scroll downwards and you'll find this safety hub. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll find safety tools over here. Tap on the setup options one by one and proceed to fill in the information as prompted. Once you've done so, go ahead and book the ride. Use tap it by tapping on this where to option. Type in your destination, tap done. Now once you select your specific riding options, go ahead and tap select, then confirm and proceed to request the ride itself. Now once you are in this ride, all you have to do is you will find a small shield like icon on this bottom right corner. Go ahead and simply tap on it. From there you can access this safety toolkit while you are riding. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.